I'm gonna go through the settings here on this monitor, this digital monitor. I'm gonna put it on my Toyota Tundra. But if you look right here, you have your power button, you have your M button, and you have this button here to the right, which are select buttons. And to turn it on, you wanna press and hold this power button for about 3 seconds. And once it comes on, it's gonna come on with default settings. As you can see, we got bars and Celsius. And to change those, you have 8 different menus, 0 through 7. So I'm gonna try to go through it fairly quick. Say for instance, I wanna change the bars and to PSI. That'll be on menu 0. So what you wanna do is click this menu button right here, the M. You wanna hold it for about 2 seconds. And then what you wanna do is click it again, it'll start blinking. And then you can move this button to the right. You see how it changed to PSI? Or I click it again, it'll change to bars, or you can use this button over here. You click it to go back that way. So we're gonna select PSI. So you wanna hit this M button again. Once you select it, it's done. So then you can move over here to number 1. And number 1 is to change the temperature. So I got Celsius, I wanna change to Fahrenheit. So you wanna click one time, let it go, and you can move to the right or left. It doesn't matter. You see I'm gonna click, you notice that it went to Fahrenheit, and you hit select. And you can do the same thing for number 2. Number 2 is gonna deal with your high pressure settings. So what you wanna do is click this. And you notice that the high pressure saying that if it hits 46, the monitor is gonna start going off. So you can change that to 50. I think this go up to like 95 on the high pressure side. Then you hit select, which is your M. Then you wanna go to number 3, which is your low pressure. You hit this M button to select at 26 low, and you can change it down. We'll go down to 20, 22, and hit the M and select. Okay, and then when you go to number 4, and number 4 is your high temperature settings. So it's the temperatures of the tires. So you click on it. As you can see, it's 155. We'll go down up to like 160, and you hit M again to select. We're gonna go to number 5, and this is something about operating when the tires are interchanged. But once you click it, and you see it showing those 2 front tires, you can kind of hit this button to the right or left. I'm not going to do that right now. And if you don't select nothing within like 10 or 15 seconds, it'll go back to the front menu. So now we're going to go to 6, and 6 is tire deflation. And you can figure this stuff out as you go. But I'm going to show you, if I don't touch anything, it's going to go back to my main menu after so many seconds. And another thing, your default setting, if you want to set it back to your default settings, what you want to do, you can hit this menu button again and hold it. And what you want to do is go to 7 and press it. Once you press it, 9 is going back to the default settings. It's going to start back up, and all those settings I put for PSIs and Celsius, you notice it went to, PSIs and Fahrenheit, now it went to bars and Celsius. I'm going to brighten this up.